Hello and welcome to TimeWorked, a practice management system designed for insurance loss adjusters, but also suitable for development for any international consultancy business. Under administration, a finance user will see an additional 4 options available, which are not available to the standard user. These are accounting, employee admin, invoicing, and archived assignments. The core area is accounting, and in the accounting view, the column to the left shows the list of active work assignments for that office. If the assignment is red, it simply means that the billing details, such as rates, where to invoice, invoice split, have not yet been entered for the assignment concerned. The finance user can see just local T&E, time and expenses, non-local T&E, all, and can also filter on not charged time and expenses, invoice drafted time and expenses, invoice time and expenses, and also written off and other options. The purpose of non-local T&E is to find out the amount of work for billing a client that is outstanding from other offices. If the amount is significant, then the finance administrator can request an intercompany invoice from that office and then be able to include these amounts in the next invoice issued to the client. The finance user will be able to enter a general expense here for a specific user against an assignment, e.g. for centrally procured travel expenses. Any assignment with non-charged items can have a draft invoice generated for it. Draft invoices are created in the draft invoice section. Here is an example of a draft invoice. It's split between Alliance and Kiln. It's broken down between professional fees, expenses, and disbursements. It gives a summary, and then it gives breakdown of the details for that period of time. Once a draft invoice is approved by the business, it is then issued as a final draft invoice, and all the time and expenses items are then locked to that invoice. There is the invoicing section, where the invoices created by the system are then updated with the actual finance system generated invoice number and an attachment of the actual invoice issued. The final area within the accounting section is reporting. You have a number of different reports: detailed activity, timesheet, expenses payment report, work in progress, loss adjuster, and other reports. And you can see how fast a report is generated from information on the system. So here's a work in progress report, which is all the unbilled hours and expenses. Thank you for your time. Please get in touch. It takes 30 seconds to install the client and be up and running.